Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start and create your own account, demo account with Oanda. And also in this video I will guide you how you can use the demo account. So this is like the full tutorial. Now if you want to also guys get a promotion or get a bonus, if you want to open a live account, there is going to be a link down below in the description. When you're going to click on it, you will get probably some promotion. It depends if Oanda is offering something. Maybe you won't get nothing. So maybe you will just make money with your own trades, right? So you're going to click here, CFD trading, and then demo account. When you're going to be here, you're going to choose the country, account details, username, password, first name, last name, and then phone number. Confirm and continue. Now if you're going to confirm and continue, you're just going to wait here until everything starts, and then you're going to have option to actually like on which platform you want to trade. Platform. If you want to trade on, I'm going to show you straight away because it's loading right now. Here you can trade on the go, and you can get on the Google Play the application, or you can trade on the Oanda web or on a desktop or with MetaTrader 4. I'm going to show you how you can trade with the Oanda web, but there are plenty of tutorials if you want to trade with MetaTrader 4, how to actually set it up. So you can also click here, trade with a MetaTrader 4. So when you're gonna be here in Oanda, I can click here, web trading platform, and let's just wait until it loads. And here we are. So right now I'm going to show you how we can actually use it. I'm going to remove my camera so I can give you the full tutorial. And here we are. So here you're gonna have rates on the left side. Here you're gonna have technical analysis, news, market pulse, economic analysis, or the platforms or the juicy stuff here. But here you're gonna I'm going to show you how we can trade actually. So you're gonna have rates, and you can simply add latest news here. So you can simply have rates here, latest news. These are like assets, and I can simply click more here, and let's say I can add forex, or I can add commodities. So I'm going to click here on forex, and then you're gonna have option. Let's say I have for €1 we're gonna have 24.50 Czech koruna. So let's say I'm going to try that. So what you want to do is to simply click on it, and you can simply click on a euro Česká koruna and click here. And now how it works. So you can simply sell or buy, and then you're gonna have units available, and this is you're gonna have always the trade value, the 1 pip, the margin available, and you can have it here on accounts. So on the bottom you see the primary balance, margin used, leverage 50:1, and I'm going to click here on a buy. Let's say units available, I can go 1,000, or let's say 10,000 units, and this is the buy price. These are the units. So right now you see that this is the margin that it's used. And then what you can do is you can simply add a take profit and stop loss. So let's say this is 24.52. I can at 25, I'm going to take profit, or 28. And then you can have the stop loss, normal or guaranteed. And again, I can go, let's say if I would go 25, I can do it, right? Because it needs to be below the current price. So I can add 23. And you can easily add a profit or stop loss like this. And then you can have the trailing stop here. So trailing stop means that there is like a wonderful video from Trading 212 how the trailing stop works. And I recommend like watching it definitely, because you will understand it completely. I can't really explain it how they explain it. And trailing stop for down can be, let's say, 24, right, or 22. So that's completely up to you. And then you can also the upper bound here. So the lower and upper bound ensures that by the time the order is actually received by Oanda and executed, since the market can move any direction so quickly that the price the orders fill is within the bounds you set. So that's how you're gonna do it, right? And you can always like remove the trailing stop, you can remove the stop loss, or you can add it. That's completely up to you. So this is how you do it here, and then you click submit. Okay, and we have the orders, see, right here. And trades. And also you see right here that we have a balance, positions, activity, and you can always click here, and let's say I'm going to click more. I can have crypto, I can have Bitcoin here. So you see margin, and you see like when you would take profit here, and when you would like how much you would lost, but you can see right here, and then you can also add a trailing stop and submit again. And you see orders here. And this is the margin that you're using, margin available, and your leverage. So that's pretty much it. And of course, guys, when you're going to look on the graph, you're going to have option to add a line. You're going to have option to add a pitchforks. Then you're going to have option to add ellipses, triangles, adding a text here, anchor text, balloon, and then also option to add patterns. And then you can have long positions, ghost feed, forecast, add everything what you see here. And then on the top you can change the like, let's say, currents that you have, also the 1 week, 1 month, seconds, and changing the bars, the line, the hollow candles, so you can actually optimize the graph. And you can also compare it and adding indicators. So this is pretty much it how we do it. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And that's pretty much it how we use it. So this is how you can open demo account with Oanda and how you can use the demo account. This was just introduction for beginners. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.